Today I want to share with you the demand and supply zone. So usually the demand zone can be referred to as the support zone. The supply zone can also be referred to as the resistance zone. So demand zone, like I said, the supply zone, supplies or resistance zone, right? Then you have the demand and support zone. Okay, the demand or support zone, sorry. Or support zone. So usually your supply zone is usually at the upper side while the demand zone is at the downside, right? Let's draw a box to justify this. Shift this one a bit lower. Just follow this carefully. Okay, so the upper box here is our supply zone. The lower box here is our demand zone. It's just like this. Let me draw a line. Let me draw a line for you to see. So let's say the market starts here on our supply zone, comes down to our demand zone, move down to our supply zone, comes down to our demand zone. So once the market comes to our demand zone, meaning the buyers are out of the market, right? So and the sellers are out of the market, so meaning the buyers will come into the market to take it to our supply zone. So as retail traders, we'll be entering the market. You'll be entering a sell market once the market is on your supply zone. You enter a sell market that will take you down to your demand zone, then you exist also. Then you wait and see a sign for you to enter another buy market to take you to your supply zone again. You enter another market. It's just as this. It's a market between the up and the down. It's just like a ranging market, going to a particular zone, coming back to the next one, going to a particular zone, up and down, just like that. So that is just it about the supply and demand zone. So let me take you to a live chart so you can see this. Let's look for a live chart example to see. Okay, I think this is perfect. You can see the downside here is our demand zone, while the upside here is our supply zone. So what you want to do is to draw your zone box. Let's say you draw your zone here. You draw your zone here. You see? So this downside will be your demand zone. We'll name it your demand zone. Your demand zone. Then you draw another box upward, which will be your supply zone, right? So the upside will be your supply zone. Supply zone. So this is your supply zone, this is your supply zone, and this is your demand zone. So the market, if you notice, from your demand zone went to your supply zone, right? Came down to your demand zone. At this moment, it means the sellers are going out of the market. So as a retail trader, you enter for a buy to take you to your supply zone. You see, it takes you to your supply zone here. Then you exit the market. Once you exit the market, you'll be waiting for sellers to come into the market. Then you follow the trend. You follow the sellers to your demand zone like this. You see? So you are right here in the demand zone. You take your profit and wait again for another market to come in, another buyers to come into the market to take you to your supply zone like this. You see? Once you get to your supply zone, you exit the market, take your profit, then you wait for sellers to come into the market to take you down to your demand zone. So in this case, you're not forgetting to put your stop loss always. In case the market wants to change, the trend wants to change, your stop loss will always take you out. Your stop loss will always take you out. So your stop loss should always be above either of the zone. If you are in a sell market, that means your stop loss will be above your supply zone. If you are in a buy market, that means your stop loss will be below your demand zone. So either of the way, just make sure you always use your stop loss in order to minimize your loss in case the trend wants to change. Is going against you or there's a change of trend, the market will take you out. Your stop loss will take you out of the market to minimize your loss. So this is it about the supply and demand zone. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to our channel, share our videos, like our videos, and come back for more interesting videos. Thank you. Peace out.